Imagine if you could find an extra hour in your day every day. Welcome to Gimbal's Tip of the Week, where you get practical, actionable advice that you can use right away to start building a more productive and profitable legal practice. Now, I know that life gets busy and commitments are many. It can seem like there's no way out from under it all. Let me share Karen's story. When she ran her solo practice, she did all the tasks. If something had to get done, she did it. That meant she had a lot less time to work on building her practice. She was stuck just grinding away in her practice. Sound familiar? She would tell me it would take too long to teach someone else and she'd probably have to redo the work anyway. Wow, was that ever wrong? Over the last few years, we've built an outsourced team that saves us hours of time every week and produces better work than we could ever do working by ourselves. It's been the key to growing our business. Why? Because when you get the right people doing the right work, you're free to focus on higher value activities and use your time more productively. You have time to think strategically about your practice. You have more time and energy to do the work that only you can do, and you also have the time for all of the other things that you love to do. At Gimbal, we've developed a step-by-step approach to delegation and an easy-to-use delegation tool, and we want to share these with you in our free Busy Lawyer Bootcamp. Invest just 15 minutes a day for 5 days next week, and you will learn exactly what to delegate so you get the right people doing the right work, how to delegate so you'll spend less time on training and correcting, and you'll also learn who to delegate to, even if you're solo or have a small budget, because the bootcamp includes over 3 hours of free assistance. So are you ready to find an extra hour or even hours in your day every day? If you answered yes to this question, then click the link below to register for the free Busy Lawyer Bootcamp. We start on Monday, January 18th. Not only will you walk away with a delegation plan that will save you hours of time, you'll also get free digital assistance. Everyone who attends the Busy Lawyer Bootcamp gets a LegalTypist Workflow charged with 200 digital assistant minutes for free. That's right. Sign up and attend the Busy Lawyer Bootcamp, and you'll get over 3 hours of dedicated, experienced assistance at your fingertips. So if you are ready to find time in your day every day, then click the link below and register for the free Busy Lawyer Bootcamp. Still on the fence? Maybe you're thinking, I don't have the time, or I don't have the budget, or I'm solo. Well, we've solved all of these problems. First, you only need to invest 15 minutes a day for 5 days. That's 1 hour and 15 minutes of your time in exchange for hours of time saved every week forever. Second, the bootcamp is free, and so are the 3 hours of legal assistance, so budget can't be an obstacle. You can get started for free. And third, even if you're solo, we've got you covered. You'll learn about outsourcing options, and you'll get over 3 hours of free legal assistance to get you started. Our simple tip of the week: there really is no excuse not to join the Busy Lawyer Bootcamp. We've designed it specifically for busy lawyers. If that's you, join us. We start January 18th. Don't miss it. Thanks a lot, everybody. We'll see you next Wednesday for another tip of the week. And we'll see you on Monday if you sign up for the Busy Lawyer Bootcamp. Be well and stay safe.